Hi student, this is Sivakumar. 11th standard mathematics chapter number 3 continuation of exercise 3.7 problem number 1 subdivision number 3. If a plus b plus c that is equal to 180 degrees, prove that sin squared a plus sin squared b plus sin squared c that is equal to 2 plus 2 cos a cos b cos c. Here you are given a plus b plus c equals 180 degree. Therefore, a plus b that is equal to 180 degree plus c comes right hand side minus c. We retain c in the left hand side 180 degree. This a plus b comes right hand side minus of a plus b. Here is LHS. For applying that for identity sin c plus sin d and all, the square has to be eliminated. Then only you can apply the identity. For that, sin squared a formula 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2 plus sin squared b that is 1 minus cos 2b divided by 2. And the third term write as it is, no need to apply this formula. Apply the formula only for the first and the second. Always retain the third one. Sin squared c, let it be. That is equal to, it can be separated as 1 by 2 minus cos 2a by 2 or half cos 2a plus 1 by 2 minus cos 2b by 2 or half cos 2b plus sin squared c as it is. That is equal to, here half plus half together 1. Here minus of cos 2a minus of cos 2b, take minus half as common. You will be getting cos 2a plus cos 2b plus sin squared c as it is. That is equal to 1 minus half into, this is of the form, look at that, in between we have plus, no square at all. Now we can apply that identity cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d that is equal to 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. Now write 2 as it is, cos of c plus d, this is c, this is d. We can add 2a plus 2b, take 2 as common, a plus b by 2 into cos of c minus d, 2a minus 2b, take 2 as common, 2 into a minus b by 2. Close the bracket plus sin squared c. 2 get cancelled. Even these 2 get cancelled. That is equal to 1 minus 1 into anything is same thing, right? Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b plus sin squared c. That is equal to 1 minus cos of a plus b can be replaced by 180 minus c. A plus b that is equal to 180 minus c. Into cos of a minus b plus sin squared c. That is equal to 1 minus, now we can go for ASTC concept. For 180, cos becomes cos. Angle is c. 180 minus, here we have 180 degree. 180 minus lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant sign only positive. What is here? Cos. Therefore, it is negative. And into cos of a minus b plus sin squared c. That is equal to 1 minus into minus plus cos c cos of a minus b plus, since we have a cos c, we have to write sin squared c in terms of cos. Then only can take cos as common. So sin squared c can be replaced by the formula 1 minus cos squared c, because sin squared theta, that is equal to 1 minus cos squared theta. That is equal to, these two can be added, 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2, plus here cos c, here cos squared c, you can take cos c as common. If we take cos c as common, you will be getting cos of a minus b. Here minus, I have taken one cos c as common, so one more cos c will be there. That is equal to 2 plus cos c into cos of a minus b minus cos of this c. Angle c can be replaced by c, that is equal to 180 degree minus of a plus b. 180 degree minus of a plus b. That is equal to 2 plus cos c cos of a minus b minus, let it be. For 180, cos becomes cos. What is the angle? A plus b. Then 180 minus, once again 180 minus lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant, sine and cosecant only positive. What is here? Cos. Therefore, it is negative. Already we have one minus here. So, minus into minus plus. That is equal to 2 plus cos c into cos of a minus b minus into minus plus cos of a plus b. That is equal to 2 plus cos c into equals 2 plus cos c into cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b. Already I have given the identity 2 cos a cos b. The identity is 2 cos a cos b. That is equal to 2 plus 2 into, write the angles in order, cos a cos b cos c, cos a cos b into cos c. Over. Question number 1, subdivision 3 is completed. Then I will be teaching subdivision number 4 in the next video. Thank you, children.